Welcome back, guys. I'm back here with this wig. As you can see, I'm still wearing this wig and it's looking so good. Like, what lace? What lace? So gorgeous. Yes, it's from RPGHair. This wig is the same wig I showed you guys in my last wig video. I literally just said wig so many times. This is the natural curly 360 lace frontal wig, Indian Remy hair. Alright, and the code for this is LFW34P. 34P. Alright, and it is so nice. So nice. In my last video I didn't wet it up. So basically I just wanted to show you guys some easy hairstyles that you can do on lace front wigs. Like, this is beginner friendly, you know, for somebody that just start wearing wigs but you don't necessarily want to wear it down. Absolutely no product at all. It is so nice, and this is a 360 wig. I also must point out that yes, this is the new and improved lace. Alright, the new and improved lace, and this hair is 20 inches long. Alright, it's 180% for the density, I believe, but all the specifications will be listed down below, so you can double check that. And the link to this wig, all that jazz, plus the Christmas sale is going on right now. Yeah, so the first hairstyle I want to go in and show you guys is, I want to put my hair in like two sections. It's like a half up, half down. And this wig is so laid right now. So laid. And this is really easy.
Original Batman. It's features. She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I
kinda want to do two buns. I feel like that would look really cute. I'm going to pretty much just wrap this around effortlessly. It's kind of loose. I'm wrapping it around loosely, and that's really nice.
I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so.
Next one I want to do is like two braids, which is so basic, so simple. Let's go. So I'm gonna do this very loosely. It's just a simple braiding pattern. Nothing new at all.
I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
And then I'm not going to get all the hair together. I'm just going to get it to a point and then braid it out.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made
Get my elastic band, because I don't want to do it all the way to the end. Kind of make it fatter. I don't like when my braid looks squished and small.
In Japan, you changing style with the girl system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like
I. Next thing I'm going to do, guys, is remove the elastic band, and you can easily just transform this hairstyle. So I'm going to make two buns, like two little cute low buns.
I mean a bad man they want to say I mean a bad man them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She not bad.
That's really cute, guys. Like literally, it's pretty much like 2 low knots, and it's so easy. You literally just wrap the hair around, like that's all.
She not bad man, they want to fail.
Under that, fire can't cool me up on tire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire.
This is just a bonus, and this is because I get so many questions on the wet look. So all I literally did just now was I went ahead and wet my hair up with water. Nothing else is added. So people ask me, how do you keep the wet look all day? My tip is I'll use like conditioner water. So any conditioner of your choice. I mostly use my Tresemme. Let me show you. This is the Tresemme I use most of the time. It doesn't really matter. I don't look at I just take up a conditioner from Tresemme. It's inexpensive and it works. So I usually just mix some of that with some water, get it in like a spray bottle, and I spritz it all over my head and stuff. But as I said, all I have in here right now is water. And then what really helps to keep that look all day is the mousse. The mousse. That's literally the tip. Now, some people say, mousse, doesn't it make the hair really stiff? Yes, it does add some stiffness. Once it's dry, it does get stiff to a point. But I do realize when I'm working with these lengths, like it still has movement, and it's not a big deal to me personally. It's just my preference. If it's something that you definitely don't like, then right now I don't really have another substitute. That's literally it, guys. Like super simple. Like I really hope these styles were easy enough for you. I don't really regard this as a style. This is just letting the hair do whatever, and it's just really you rocking the texture, to be honest. Let me know also what else you'd like to see me do to my wigs or whatever hair I try out. It doesn't matter. Whatever color, whatever style, let me know and I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. So before I close out the video, I want to share a piece of information with you. So I've always got a lot of questions like, where is RPG hair located? Like, where do them come from? Like, where is it? Where is the location? Okay, so just to clear that up, RPG Hair is a company based in China, but since recent times they have established a new office in California in the United States. So yeah, I have a whole video to show you, like just a short video to show you like the whole process. But that is very important as well, to know where you're getting your stuff from. So yes, they are a China-based hair company, but they recently have opened an office in the US, and I'm going to go ahead and put the video right here, so go ahead, check it out. And that is all I have for you guys today. So until then, I'm your Petite. Go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Under that, fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
It's
says we are on dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man and they want to say She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say She not bad man, they want to fail.
Under that, fire can't cool me up on tire. Original
Batman.
Nobody says we are on dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Thunder that, or you can't cool me up on tire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's Feet Kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Thunder that, or you can't cool me up on tire. Better than
Original
you, me a
Batman.
spitfire.
It's Feet
Nobody
Kills.
says we are on dire, we are on dire.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl, I come in on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she